Christmas facts are real and kinda scary. Fact 1. Santa has a terrifying helper in Europe named Krampus. He punishes naughty kids instead of giving gifts. This half-goat, half-demon figure roams the streets, rattling chains and carrying a bundle of sticks to swat misbehaving children. Forget coal in your stocking. You might get carried away in his basket. Fact 2. In the past, Christmas trees were decorated with real candles. Festive, yes, fire hazard. Extremely, people would actually light them up, turning their living rooms into a beautiful but highly flammable holiday scene. Imagine your beautiful pine tree suddenly going up in flames. Fact 3. Christmas causes a spike in emergency room visits, mostly from people falling off ladders while putting up lights. It's a classic holiday movie trope for a reason. So be careful when you're decking the halls. Or you might spend Christmas Eve with a doctor instead of your family next time. We'll explore some truly confusing holiday traditions. Stay tuned!